Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I'm going to go ahead and unbox my Patricia Nash. Ted's here. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, how you doing?
Alright, got this at the shopping channel. And we'll see what they look like. There we go, Patricia Nash. And got a smaller one. Okay, let's go ahead and open them up. They're just small items, they're not anything major, but they'll go with my other thing, and I'm gonna see if I can send my other purse back. It may be too late, but we'll see. The flat bag that I bought isn't working out the best, right? Right, Honeykins?
That's right, yeah.
Because the problem with the other, bag is you can't get anything open, basically. All right, this is pretty cool. This is like a wristlet. It's got all the paper on it. And this is nice. And it has like a little key holder. And they all come with the paper and the authenticity card. So this is the European matte print, and this is the like a wristlet card holder. Okay, so that's the first one there. That's pretty cool. The back, but it doesn't, it comes in its own box. And then the second one, Patricia Nash. Does anybody else have Patricia Nash? Let me know in the comments below. They come in nice boxes. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, here we go. This is like, this is a phone case. And it has a long adjustable strap. Pretty long. It adjusts, and you put your phone there. And then let's see what the other side looks like. Oh, and you can have cards here. Cards are like your wallet, kind of. That's nice. And then it comes with the dust bag. Yep. And I'll leave the pattern below there. But that's pretty nice. And then it fits a phone and some other things in there. All right. You can put other stuff in there. And you can put your bills in there. All right, so thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style. Thanks for watching my unboxing today, and I hope everybody's doing great. Thanks again. Bye, guys.